What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I got the car turned around with the bay door fully open because it's nice and overcast, so I can get some good lighting to record this video of this absolutely gorgeous 2018 Maserati Ghibli that I did a full headlight build on. I'm extremely proud of these headlights, so excuse me if I gloat a little bit, but I think they just came out beautiful. First and foremost, it does have a full interior paint job to match the OEM exterior paint, which is this gorgeous black with a lot of pearl in it, and I'm gonna cut over to some footage that I recorded the other day. I have got to get some video footage of this before I put that outer lens on these housings because they are gorgeous. Got a clear lens swap, got a RGB halo, the smoke ring, I've got smoke amber reflectors, the OEM black Maserati paint, which is absolutely loaded with pearls and absolutely stunningly gorgeous. One of my finer paint jobs. The acrylic inside has all been sandblasted, masked off very carefully and sandblasted to give it a better diffuser. And of course, there are RGB products behind it. So I've got RGB Strip behind that guy, RGB Halo, RGB Demon Eye. And I'm very pleased with the way that this is coming out. So let's get back to looking at it on the car then, shall we? So as I probably said in that other clip, we've got that smoked amber reflector, we've got a RGB halo ring with a smoke ring over it, we've got RGB demon eyes, we've got sandblasted acrylic there, sandblasted acrylic there, as well as an RGB strip behind it. So without further ado, let me turn these bad boys on. The first thing I want to do is talk about how they're wired in. They are initially wired into a circuit that comes on when the engine is running. So it's actually a true running light setup, which means that every time he starts the car, these three products will come on automatically. The demon eyes are wired so that they will automatically cut off when the headlight comes on, and due to the nature of the Morimoto XBT controller, they will always default to coming on white. However, you can of course control them independently, as we always love to do. So as you see, I put that bar on green and the halo on blue and the demon eye on red, just to show an example. We can put any sort of combination going on here, and we can do that on whatever. Whee! You get the idea, right? We can do cool things with this. I don't think Maserati ever knew that they were going to have something so cool in their headlights. Now, if you haven't guessed yet by now, of course, the engine is not actually running right now, and that is because I also installed a button in the kick panel on this vehicle so that if he wants to be able to parking lot pimp while the engine is not running, all you gotta do is push that button and it will power them on. This strip in here is the primary reason that I sandblasted the acrylic, but honestly, before I sandblasted the acrylic, I did a dry assembly, and I really did not like how clear acrylic on a black background and all these beautiful design notes that are inside of this headlight just disappeared. So once I blasted those, you can see that frosted look really stands out. It gives some good contrast, and I gotta say, it was a good decision, and it also matches the existing OEM little things over there. Now let's talk about this absolutely killer turn signal that we've got now. As you can see, we still have the OEM turn signal location going on down there. We have a new turn signal strip going on up there, and of course the halo is switched back as well. So the turn signal is very impressive now, catches a lot of attention, looks good, shining all in that interior paint job, so like, ooh-wee, I love it a lot. This was my first Maserati Ghibli headlight build, and I gotta say, I had just the absolute perfect client. He allowed me a lot of creative freedom on this, and was very supportive with the timeline and all of the things that required for this to be pulled off properly. I don't think I ever gave full credit to the fact that we did a lens etching in this as well. The demon eyes are absolutely beautiful, but they do tend to get overwhelmed, especially on the camera when it comes to having an LED ring around it. But the Maserati Trident is certainly engraved in there, and with a clear lens swap, it is phenomenal. Well, I think that about covers it. Pricing and product information is going to be in the video description if you are interested in to build something similar like this for your vehicle. Just understand that every build is custom made to order, so your pricing will vary depending on the options that you select. All build inquiries need to be emailed to me or submitted through the form on the website. I'm currently not taking on any business. However, by the time you watch this video, I have no idea whether or not I'll be accepting new business. But most importantly, thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I hope you have yourselves a wonderful day. This was a great build, and I can't wait for the next one. I shall talk to you later. See ya.